Hello student. So in this session, we'll discuss the importance of GATE and ESE test series, why test series is important, and we'll also discuss the structure of GATE and ESE test series for 2025. Okay. Now, why test series is important? The reason is very simple. Whenever you are preparing for any competition exam, whether it is GATE or ESE, after completing a subject, whatever points are required, like revision, practicing variety of questions, practicing as much as questions possible, analyzing your mistake, feeling real exam environment, all these objective can fulfill by single tool, and that tool is test series. That's why test series is important. Okay. Whenever you will ask about strategy with different toppers now, it might be possible different toppers are sharing different strategies. Some will say they have solved the question from standard book. Some will say they have not solved the question from standard book. They relied on the question discussed by faculty, on class notes, on coaching booklets question. But in the strategy of all toppers, you will find one thing is common, and that is test series. That's why test series is important. For that, I have taken the example of some topper of last year. Like this is the example of Raja Manji from ECE branch. His all India rank is 1. You can see in total he has attempted 115 test. Okay. Similarly, he is Pratik Kumar. His all India rank 3 in mechanical branch is 3. All India rank in mechanical branch is 3. Again, you can see he has attempted total 133 test for GATE. Okay. He is Vishal Kumar Singh from computer science. His all India rank is 286 in GATE 2. Okay. Again, you can see he has attempted total 143 tests. He is Harsh Kumar. He's from ECE branch. His all India rank is 62. Again, you can see in total he has attempted 86 number of tests. He is Dipanshu Mahapatra from mechanical. His all India rank in GATE 2023 is 68. Again, you can see he has attempted 56 tests. Okay. Means all toppers have attended. Number might can be different. Some has attended more than 100 tests. Some student has attempted 80 tests, but all have attempted test series seriously. So through this is the practical example, and through this example you can understand why test series is very important. Okay. But sir, how we can use test series for our proper preparation? It is not enough that you have joined any test series and you are attempting the test. That is sufficient. No. While attempting any test series, you need to keep some points in your mind. Okay. Like I had told, one of the objective of the test series is revision. One objective is practicing question. One objective is analyzing your mistake. How you can uh, fulfill this objective? For that, you have to give test series sincerely through proper plan. So what are the points you required while attempting test series? That I will discuss. Like first very important point is revision. Revision is very important. First I am discussing the importance of revision. Like whenever you have completed one subject and started studying other subject, you might feel that you are forgetting the previous subject. Now how you can avoid this feeling? For that, answer is very simple. You need to do the revision of the subject, and you need to do the revision again and again for the subject with proper structure way. But sir, what is this structure way? How we can decide the revision strategy? For that, you don't have to worry. Just follow our test series, and if you will follow our test series, automatically your revision will occur in structure way. How? For that, I am discussing the structure of GATE, our GATE test series. Okay. This is the structure for mechanical branch. Just for your reference, you can take the reference of any branch. Whenever you will see our structure of GATE test series, you will find some category of test. Like one category is topic wise test, in which one subject has been divided in 4 to 5 topic wise test. Then one category is subject wise test. Okay. In which question will come from entire subject. Okay. Syllabus of that test is entire subject. Okay. Okay. And for each subject you will find 2 subject wise tests. Then you will find multiple subject wise tests. What we have done, the syllabus of entire GATE we have divided in 4 parts, and for each part you will find one test. So total we are having 4 multiple subject wise tests. and ultimately you have to give the GATE exam, in which total 10 to 12 subject will come. Total number of question will be 65, and you have to complete that in 3 hours. So for that we are having some mock test. We are naming our mock test as GATE before GATE. For mechanical you are having total 11 GATE before GATE. But in mechanical we are also providing the XC branch GATE before GATE or mock test also, because all mechanical student also give the exam of XC also. So for XC you will find total 5 GATE before GATE. This is also important. Okay. Then what we are doing, we are providing the PYQ, previous year question paper from 2018 to 2024 as a test, because whenever you are preparing for an exam, PYQ is very important. So we are providing GATE PYQ also as a paper or as a mock test. So this is the structure. But you can ask, sir, why you are following this structure? You can directly give mock test, because in GATE we have to give mock test. No, if you directly start to prepare attend mock test now, this will not fulfill your this objective, that is revision. If you want to do planned revision, structure revision, you have to follow this. Now how? For that now, what I am doing, I am taking the example of, suppose, math test. This is the structure. Okay. Suppose I am taking the example of engineering mathematics. Okay. Uh, First, see how many topic wise tests for available for engineering mathematics. Like in our in our test series, total 5 number of tests is for topic wise test we are providing for engineering mathematics. Now see the syllabus of engineering mathematics for topic wise test 1. Now don't give any test without revision. What you have to do? First revise the notes of that syllabus, and after doing revision give the topic wise test, first topic wise test of mathematics. Similarly, see the syllabus of second topic wise test, first do the revision, then attempt the second topic wise test. Similarly third, similarly fourth, similarly fifth. So you will find you have completed entire mathematics, and while completing this mathematics you have revised the entire mathematics subject through one time, means one cycle of revision has been completed. Okay. After that we are having subject wise test, and for each subject wise test you will for each subject you will find 2 subject wise tests. So what you have to do? So again I am taking the example of math. So see, first revise entire class notes of math, and then attend first subject wise test. Then when you are giving second subject wise test of math, don't give without revision, again revise the notes of maths, then give second subject wise test. You will find it, after completing subject wise test and topic wise test of mathematics, you have done the completed the revision of 3 cycle for mathematics. Similarly we are having multiple subject wise tests. Like in multiple subject wise test 1, you will find subject engineering mathematics and aptitude. So like I have discussed the example of mathematics, in similar way you have also attempted the aptitude test, like topic wise test and subject wise test. Okay, means again you have completed the 3 cycle revision for aptitude also. Then before giving this multiple subject wise test, in which mathematics and general aptitude is coming, again first do the revision of mathematics and aptitude. So through this you have completed 4 cycle of revision, then give test. Then we are having full syllabus test, that is GATE before GATE, GATE PYQ test. So while attempting each mock test, first revise the short notes of all the subject. So you will find if you are giving 11 mock tests for mechanical, means you have revised each subject 11 times. So if you will take only one oath now, I will say I will not give any test without revision. Only you have to take this oath. Okay, I will not give any test, I will not attempt any test without revision. You will find when you are completing this now, for each subject you have done 15 to 20 cycles times revision. Okay. And this is sufficient. And you have done this revision through in planned way. So just you have to follow this structure, automatically you will have proper way to revise the subject. Only you have to take one oath that I will not attempt any subject, any test without revision. So through this you can fulfill this first objective, that is revision. Second objective of test series is providing good practice. Okay, whenever you are preparing for exam, whether it is GATE or ESE, like I discussed the plan of GATE test series, similarly you can also see the brochure of ESE test series, and you can have the idea of plan and structure of ESE test series. I will discuss that also. But I'm right now I'm discussing various objective of test series. Second objective is provides good course practice. Okay, whenever you are preparing for competition exam, again practicing as much as question and variety of question is very important. Okay, you need not to search for books. That objective also you will get fulfilled by test series. Like this is the gate test series structure. We in gate in mechanical branch, similarly you will find the structure of other branch also. In topic wise test we are having nearly 52 tests. In each test we are having 30 questions, so you'll see we are having total 676 questions. In subject wise test we are having total 24 subject wise test. Each test number of questions are 26, so total 624 questions. In MST we are having 4 MST. In each MST, that is multiple subject test, we are having 39 questions, so total 156. Similarly, in gate before gate, nearly we are having 11 mock gate before gate, but if you will include XE also, total 16. So this is these are the total number of questions. Similarly, in gate PYQ test, these are the total number of questions. If you will add this, you are getting 3276 questions. This is more than sufficient. Means in test series of each branch, I'm talking about gate. Around you will find 2500 to 3000 and even more than 3000 number of question for practice. This is good amount. So through test series, you will this objective will also get fulfilled. That is practicing as much as and variety of question. And what one thing is very important, all the question have been prepared by faculty. So we'll find question as per gate standard if we are giving the test of gate. Similarly, in ESE, you will find question as ESE standard. Okay, like in ESE, if we'll talk technical part, that is mechanical engineering. Uh, we are having total 12 subject-wise tests. Each question is this I am discussing. Firstly, I am discussing the structure of ESE prelims, and in ESE prelim, this is the technical part. Technical part means if you are belonging to mechanical, it is mechanical part. If you are belonging to civil, it is common na civil. It is the structure of civil engineering syllabus. If your branch is double E, it is the syllabus of double E. If your branch is EC, it is the structure of ESE test series for ECA, means engineering part. In engineering part, we are for prelims, we are having 12 subject-wise tests. Each test consisting 40 questions, so total 480. In MST, we are having 4 MST. Each MST consisting 100 questions, so total 400. Then we are having full length or full syllabus test, total 6. Each questions consisting 150. Each paper, sorry, so total 900. Like a gate, we were providing previous year paper as a test. In ESC also, we are providing previous year paper as a test. So total 5 in each test, total 150 questions, so 750. So you can see only in technical part we are providing around 2500 number of questions. Okay. Similarly, if you see general study in engineering aptitude part, again here also we are having subject wise test 9, 30 questions, 270 total. MST 4 in each test 50 questions, so total 200. This is one addition, monthly current affair test, because current affair is recent topic na. So what we are doing for current affair, we are providing current affair of each month separately. So total we are having 9 monthly current affair test. Each test consisting 30 question, total 270. In general study part, we are having 6 full length test. Each test 100, total 600. Similarly, we are providing ESE test or ESE general study PYQ test also as a paper. So total 500, 500. If you add, you will find it is around 1800 number of questions. So these are the number of questions which you will get the opportunity to attempt through ESE test series. So we are providing good practice number of good number of questions for practice. So through this test series, this objective will also get fulfilled. That is at, solving or attempting as much as variety of questions. Okay. Now next objective of test series is analysis. This is very important. Okay. Okay, one step which is important before giving any test is revision. Don't give any test without revision. Now I am discussing the part which is required after attempting any test. Only attempting the test is not important, before and after is very important. So after attempting the test, the objective which you have to do fulfill is analysis part. What things we have to do during analysis? like mistake analysis. Through analysis, you need to understand what are your weak topics and area. Okay. Similarly, time management. You had to also do the analysis what mistake you had done in time management. Okay. So these are the part. Like first, I'm discussing mistake analysis. Whenever you have attempted any test and you have found that this question is incorrect, why? So definitely you had done some mistake in that question, but what type of mistake it can be, that is also important. It will be any mistake you can divide ultimately in two category. One is silly mistake, one is conceptual mistake. I will discuss this. Okay. And you have to analyze whether I have incorrect this question uh, by silly mistake, or I have done some conceptual mistake in this question. Like when you will attempt the test now, after test you will find analysis part in which you will find detailed solution of the questions. Okay. Like this is the question we had done in which you had done the mistake. Okay. Then see the solution of that question. You will find text solution also, and in gate test series you will find video solution also. So when you have referred this text solution, after referring this text solution, you will come to know whether in this question I had done silly mistake or I had done conceptual mistake. Through looking this text solution, you will be understand whether I had done silly mistake or whether I had done conceptual mistake. Now, what I need to do when I have incorrected the question through silly mistake? What is silly mistake? In that question, your concept was not wrong, but still that question is incorrect. So the reason is very simple, silly mistake. Like in question, a diameter was given, but by mistake you have referred that as radius. This is silly mistake. Now this is not conceptual mistake. Okay. But what sometime what student do now, if they have incorrected the question through silly mistake, they think I have not done any conceptual mistake. When I will give next test or next exam, I will not do this silly mistake, and they ignore that. No, you don't have to ignore, because whenever you will ask to any candidate now who has given exam in last year, but their rank is not good, the reason is very simple, silly mistake. Means this is one of the main reason of any student of not getting proper rank, even their concept is good. And if you know this is the one of the reason, so you have to work on this reason na. If you are not working in this, means you are not preparing for exam, you are preparing for subject, you are preparing for engineering, mathematics, aptitude, but you are not preparing for gate and ESE. So you have to rectify, you have to correct these silly mistakes. Sir, how? Generally, I suggest now you should make one notes proper copy, which I refer as mistake copy. It can be on soft form also, it can be on hard form. It is your comfortability. But prepare a one notes copy for test series, which is mistake copy. Now, whenever you had done any attempted any question, solved any question incorrectly in test series, uh, due to silly mistake, I'll suggest in that note copy write that question, write that silly mistake, and in future how I can avoid that silly mistake, also write that. And whenever you are going to attempt next test now, just refer that silly mistake copy or mistake copy. Okay. Gradually you will find now similar type of mistake is reducing. Similar type of mistake is reducing. Whenever you are going to attempt next test now, your mind will be active, and you will think I have to see carefully whether diameter is given or radius is given. Okay. So if you will make proper copy now, gradually your silly mistake will reduce. I will not saying that in actual exam your silly mistake will be 0, but you will be at minimum of your silly mistake, and you have to reach in your minimum. Every student do silly mistake, but you have to reach in your minimum, and this is the best strategy to work on silly mistake as per my. Okay. So this is the one objective. Now other, it might be possible you are doing conceptual mistake in this question, means you are unable to take approach of this question or that question, means you are having some conceptual mistake. What you can do? First thing, I will suggest, if you are incorrecting any question due to conceptual mistake, along with text solution, forget, also you can watch video solution also. We are providing video solution also. So through that video solution, we'll discuss the question in detail, and whatever concept conceptual mistake you have done, you can study that and you can rectify it. Okay. But if you are incorrecting the question due to conceptual mistake now, through analysis part of test series, you have to also understand and mark or list out what are the weak topics or weak area in that subject. Okay, but how you can mark which are the weak area or weak subject in that test? Again, our test series will help you. Analysis part, how? When you will see the analysis part of our test series after attempting the test na, you will find analysis like this. Okay, but in this analysis you have to go in with detailed analysis. Okay, when you will go in view detailed analysis now, you will find subject wise, not only subject wise, chapter wise, not only chapter wise, topic wise analysis. Like how? Again, I'm taking the example of mathematics because this is common syllabus for all the branches. So when you will click on engineering mathematics now, you will get chapter wise segregation. And in chapter, suppose basic calculus, you want to see in which chapter topic is our week. So in chapter wise analysis also you will find topic wise analysis. Suppose in basic calculation, if you click on basic calculation, you will find topic wise analysis. And through basic calculation, suppose one question has come from differential calculus. Okay, and that question is your wrong, incorrect. So will you got your one weak topic, that is mathematics. In basic calculus chapter, my differential calculus part is weak. So you can revise or refer the notes of that part again. If you are having any doubt, you can ask your faculty. But through this, you can note down your weak part. And if you know your weak part and still you are not working in that, that is your mistake. Don't do mistake from your end. Okay, if you understood which part of your is weak, again study that part. Okay, our test series, our analysis part, test series analysis part is helping to you to understand which part is your weak. Now you have to work on that weak part. Okay, so this is another objective through analysis. Now next objective of analysis is time management, because whether it is GATE or ESE, it is competition exam na. And in competition exam you have to solve the question within given time frame. Like for GATE, in mock test, in real GATE exam, total 65 test is number of question is coming, or for that allotted time is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. In ESE prelims, in technical part, 150 questions are coming and time given is 3 hours, again 180 minutes. For general study part, total number of question is coming 100 and time attempted is, time given or duration given is 2 hours. Similarly, in our test series also, we had decided the duration. Definitely for mock test, duration will be same as ESE and GATE standard. Even in subject wise test and topic wise test, number of questions are less. So similarly, we have reduced the time also in proportionate mode, or proportionate way. So through test series, you can also analyze your time management. You can also improve your time management skill, because when you will give time test now, you will attempt the test within given time. And when you will attend within given time, your time management will improve. Only one thing you have to do after giving any test now, first make your one own strategy, that how I should attempt this test, what should be my strategy. Okay, after making a strategy regarding time management, I'm saying, after attempting the test, see that what in which part I got I'm lacking in time management skill. Okay, like suppose duration was 180 minutes, but you were unable to solve all the question in 180 minutes. Then think what was the mistake in my strategy regarding time management, and what I can do in further test. Then apply that method in next test. So what will happen now, when you will attempt some test now, after attempting some test, you will in your mind you will have one SOP, standard operating procedure, regarding time management or regarding the process how to attempt test. Okay, and apply that process in each test. Okay, so ultimately through this you can improve your time management. Only you have to do in initial some test, after giving test, just do what mistake you had done in time management, why I were unable to attempt all the question within given time, and what things I can improve in my process of attempting the test in next test. And similarly, if you do analysis now, after 5 to 6 tests now, you will have one clear SOP, standard operating procedure, to attempt the test. Okay, so this analysis you can do through test series. Okay, next, this is very important, real exam environment. Okay, if you go directly to the exam now, okay, you cannot handle the pressure of the exam. This is very huge. But if you are failing that pressure many time earlier, then your mind will be prepared to handle that pressure. Like uh, suppose suddenly you have watched any elephant, you will be in fear, you will feel extreme pressure. But if you are living in forest, you are watching the element daily, the intensity of that pressure will definitely it will be minimum. So what is one of the objective of test series? Feeling real exam environment. Whenever you are giving each test now, just think in your mind before attempting the test, you are giving one gate exam, and feel that, try to feel that pressure. What will happen when you will reach to real exam? Automatically your mind will prepare to handle that pressure. I'm not saying you will not feel pressure, but your mind will prepare to handle that pressure. So this is one of the objective. Okay, so these are the objective of test series. Okay, but this objective you can take the benefit of this test series only when you are attempting the test series sincerely. You are not giving any test without revision. Okay, you are doing proper analysis of test series, like I have done mistake, silly mistake or conceptual mistake. Whatever the step required to avoid silly mistake, you are following that steps. If you are following these steps now, then I am sure whatever your rank in real exam, whatever your performance in real exam, that performance will be maximum. Maximum means you will reach to maxima of your maxima in your exam. But important thing is, follow this test series sincerely. Sincerely, what is very important? Just giving the test is not important. Following the test series sincerely, keeping in your mind the step which I discussed, that is very, very important. But one question can come in your mind, sir, when I should start to attempt test series? Because I have to give topic wise, subject wise, multiple subject, mock test. So when I should start? The best time is this month if you are preparing for 2025. Or you can say whenever our gate wala test series is starting now, I can say that is the best time to start the test. So ideally, June last week or July first week is the best time to start the test series. So this is the best time. So I discussed all importance of test series. Similarly, in some session I will discuss some different strategy also. But this is the strategy or importance of test series. Okay. Thank you.